Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you how to apply our pre-cut turn signal overlay for this 2019 Ford Mustang. This is an air release film. You're going to be applying this dry. You also need a heat gun and probably some sort of squeegee. First, you want to start by cleaning this area thoroughly, get around the area as well so you don't pick up any dirt. Peel your overlay from the backing material. I'm going to start in this top right corner, getting it aligned up in there. Once you have that aligned, you're going to keep tension on the film all the way down. This will actually get tucked up in a little bit at the very end stage. So now you're going to want to just take your fingertip and work this material onto the light. Now you're actually going to just apply a little bit of pressure to the lamp. Use your squeegee to tuck that top portion up in. So once you have that tucked up in there, you're going to be left with this bottom. The bottom is a little bit tricky, but if you go slow, you can definitely get it. Basically, this whole film is going to curve down. There's some flat portions from here that are going to roll over real easily, but where these corners are here and right around in here, you're going to have the material bunch up a little bit. So what I like to do is start in those areas and then work into the flat areas. So you're gonna add a little bit of heat, make the material a little bit more pliable. And just work it nice and easily down the headlamp, or the turn signal, I should say. Now we're going to move on to the more flat areas, which are pretty straightforward. You do happen to crease the material. If you beat your fingernail under there and lift it up, just apply a little bit more heat, and then you can push it back down. This will take the crease out. And for the very corner here with where the bumper is, probably gonna use some sort of squeegee to get in there because there's not a lot of room. And you're gonna want to go back over the whole lamp with the heat gun, just making sure everything's adhered properly. This is a dark smoke air release film. I also have this in a light smoke air release film, as well as a couple different colors if you're looking for like an amber or maybe like a ice blue. I also have that film as well. If it is an air release film, it is going to be marked air release. You're going to want to take a look at that when you're making your color selection online. The other films, you would need to apply them wet. It is going to be a little bit more difficult with that rolling over, but it's something you could do yourself. If you don't feel comfortable, I'd recommend taking this product to like a tint shop. They can throw this on pretty easily. If you have any questions, shoot us an email. Contact information is on our site. Again, this is the dark smoke air release tail lamp overlay. By tail lamp, I mean turn signal overlay for the 2018 up Ford Mustang. Thanks for watching.